Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vetme token. Now Vetme just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, Vetme. So Vetme is the name of the token and the ticker symbol, all one word. There is one warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about investing in it, because when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token's going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract, change taxes, do things like that. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about investing in this token. Now, on their official webpage, vetmeblock.com, you can find tokenomics, features, roadmap, escrow service, and that is coming soon. And their white paper is also available on their webpage as well. So lots of good links there. So their problem they're trying to solve here, it says the problem, the rise of blockchain technology and its attendant features disrupted the regular way of doing business across the globe. But it is an unregulated and fraught with danger. It then becomes easy to fall victim to counterfeiters and rookie merchants. Consider Chris, who regularly needs professionals to help him with designing and mapping. He finds people online and pays them in advance to get the job going. However, he ends up getting duped each time. It is either the person he pays vanishes into thin air or he gets abysmal service in return. It becomes apparent that the escrow service would solve his headaches overnight. Now, vetting. Here's another problem. There are many unverified profile details, information, and biodata online. This has made engaging service providers a difficult task, as many exaggerate their competence or even fraudsters outright. The implication of this is that many either pay for inferior service or get duped for their resources. Now, there's also KYC problems. So web profiles are not enough to establish a potential client identity and personality. More is usually needed to ensure that making the right decision every time for your business. However, a lot of people have had to contend with avoidable risks and losses because they are unable to verify the details of their client. And over-the-counter, OTC. The concept of OTC is to ensure that crypto transactions that involve huge sums are conducted without attracting unnecessary attention. However, it is usually difficult to find crypto trustworthy for investors and traders who would readily do business. So, and then they have the solution here. So this is what Vetme is offering. It says, getting the best of Vetme's 4 utilities. Vetme's world-class services are anchored on 4 utilities. These utilities include P2P escrow service system, OTC deals, KYC, and vetting, all the things I just mentioned. So with P2P escrow service system on the blockchain, with our P2P escrow service system, you are assured security and safety when doing business on any platform dependent, blockchain dependent platform. Our reputation precedes us, and we are trusted by many across the world. So that's the first thing they're offering. The second thing is the OTC platform. They're going to have a decentralized platform that allows users to connect their wallets, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to perform transactions. This enables users to trade tokens securely and directly with one another without the need for intermediaries or central banks. Then they have the KYC service as well, and know your customer process. And they're going to be using advanced methods for safety and trust. And then lastly, the vetting solution. Vetme is the platform that allows users to vet individuals. The individual to be vetted could be Eric, a crypto influencer, Ross, a crypto trader, or Jenna, a social media manager. And to do this, Vetme relies on a network of ordinary traders, followers of the individual being vetted, and other interested parties who are willing to help with the vetting process. So that's what they're offering here. Tokenomics, it's a dual token model with features. Total supply is 1 billion fixed supply. Our marketing tax is 3%, and 1% goes to development, 1% goes to LP, and what is the other 1% for? 1% LP. It doesn't even say what the other 1% is for, so that's weird. So yeah, token utilities and use cases, 50% of profit sharing are people who stake Vetme tokens. And there's going to be staking available. Now, let's go over some of the tokenomics on here. So today, token price is 93.2 cents per token. It's actually down 3.2 cents right now. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong token here. Let's go back to the token I was talking about. Sorry about that. Actually, token price today is 0.3 cents. My bad. And it's actually up 0.7%, which isn't much of a difference of what I just said. It's basically even today, this token. VetmeBlock.com is their official webpage. So this is an Ethereum token, so you can find their Etherscan on CoinGecko. Right now they have 925 holders, 8,029 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, like I mentioned. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your Ethereum for the Vetme token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan, which is also listed on CoinGecko. Or you can find it on VetmeBlock.com, or I'm sure it's on their white paper as well. They also have Medium articles, a Twitter, Discord. All that is available on CoinGecko. And besides that, I mean, that's basically about it. If you want to go over their roadmap, they have a mission on here. Basically, there's just vetting, escrow, KYC, and OTC trading are the things they're trying to do. There's also staking. And it says 5% buy and sell tax. So 3% goes to marketing, 1% LP, 1% development. So if you do buy this token off or sell this token off of Uniswap, you probably will have to set slippage somewhere around 5%. Now, their liquidity is locked for 2 full years. Now, on their roadmap, they're basically just telling you when they're going to come out with their different KYC, OTC vetting platforms, things like that. Eventually they're going to bridge to the Arbitrum network, it says, doing some marketing, stuff like that. So, yeah, check this all out, VetmeBlock.com. You can find it now on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Vetme? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.